Realme P4R key and features. Display, 6.81-inch HD Plus LCD screen with an ultra-smooth 188Hz refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness. Performance, powered by the octa-core Tek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, 6 nanometers, paired with an Airflow VC cooling system. Memory, available in configurations with up to 14 GB of dynamic RAM using virtual RAM expansion, and up to 256 GB of onboard storage. Battery and charging, massive 8,000 mAh battery backed by 45-watt fast charging, utilizing AI long-life algorithms for extended battery health. Design and durability features a slim 8.8mm profile, IP65 dust water resistance, MIL STD81H military-grade build, and an AI pulse light on the rear. Software runs on the latest Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16.